In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert currency signs in Microsoft Word. Whether you're preparing invoices, financial reports, price lists, or any document that includes monetary values, knowing how to quickly add currency symbols can make your work look accurate and professional. I'll walk you through several easy methods so you can choose the one that works best for you. To begin, open your Microsoft Word document and place your cursor where you want the currency symbol to appear. One of the fastest ways to insert common currency signs is by using your keyboard. For example, to insert the dollar sign, simply press Shift and the number 4 key. For the British pound symbol, press and hold the Alt key and type 0163 on your numeric keypad. For the euro symbol, you can press Ctrl, Alt, and E at the same time, depending on your keyboard layout. If you need a symbol that isn't easily accessible on your keyboard, you can use the Symbol menu. Go to the Insert tab on the ribbon and click on Symbol, then choose More Symbols. A dialog box will appear showing a wide range of characters. From the Font drop-down menu, select a standard font like Calibri or Arial. Then, scroll through the list or choose the Currency Symbols subset to quickly find symbols such as the yen, rupee, or other international currency signs. Once you find the symbol you need, click Insert and it will appear exactly where your cursor is placed. Another convenient option is autocorrect. Word automatically converts certain shortcuts into currency symbols. For example, typing specific combinations may automatically generate the correct symbol depending on your language and keyboard settings. After inserting the currency symbol, you can format it just like regular text. Adjust the font size, style, or spacing from the Home tab to ensure it aligns properly with your numbers. For financial documents, it's also a good idea to keep your formatting consistent throughout the file for a clean and professional appearance. And that's it. Inserting currency signs in Microsoft Word is quick and simple once you know where to look, helping you create polished and accurate documents every time. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.